this is the Battle of the Baker, challenge number 4. We've got 3 participants left with us. Hi girls, how are you? We've got Sarah, Diana, Linda with us, and obviously the 2 chefs. So how are you, chef?
I'm fine, ça va.
Yeah. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you.
The chef is going to do a demonstration of the cake that the participants have to realize. So chef, today, what is the surprise?
Alors jusqu'à présent, on a fait des petites tailles. Donc aujourd'hui, on va faire un entremets donc, pour 4 personnes et ça sera un fraisier.
So usually it's individual, but this time we're going to do a cake for 4 people, and the cake is going to be a fraisier cake. The chef's going to show them how to make the individual cake, bearing in mind that obviously it's going to be a cake for 4 people, so it's a bit different. He's going to do the decoration, and obviously it's up to you. So yeah, it's going to be challenging because none of our participants have ever made a fraisier.
He's not gonna ask you to do the same thing as the chefs do, but he's gonna impose to you to use white chocolate to your decoration of the fraisier.
La place en finale se joue aujourd'hui, donc je compte sur vous, bon courage et bon fraisier.
Good luck. It's the final place to go to the final, so good luck to everyone.
How are you? Yeah, you okay today?
I am, yeah.
Yeah? Enjoying doing the
Yes.
fraisier cake?
Yes.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
I think we all thought, oh yeah, we can do that, easy. And after seeing the 3 hours, we're like, no, maybe not.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave it to the pro. So you're doing okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Good luck. Linda.
Hello.
How are you? I'm okay, and you? Always
fine,
smiling.
thank you.
Yes, always
Yes.
a pleasure. How are you doing today?
I'm getting there slowly.
Yeah,
slowly.
I can see. Nearly there,
I haven't
nearly
made
there.
this before at all, so it's all a very new experience.
Oh, you're doing well for your
Yeah,
first
so,
time.
yeah.
All the best. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing a little stressed out, but I'm doing fine.
I'm very stressed out, but I'm doing fine. Okay, that tells you. So first time you do that kind of cake, the fraisier,
Yes.
and what is?
Run into a little problem, but it's fixable.
Will you do it again at home? Will you try again to do it?
Probably.
Yeah.
I like this kind of pastry, so.
Okay, next time you do it, call me and I come over to this one. No problem.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
This is the end of the challenge 4 of the Battle of the Baker. As you can see, we had a battle. Some cake are still surviving. Congratulations also, because obviously, it's not an easy cake, as you can see, to make, to create. Every one of you had few problems with the crème pâtissière. It was not cooked enough. Sébastien, we're gonna start by Linda.
C'est pas mal, elle a fait une présentation en chocolat en forme de cœur, donc qui est très jolie. Bon, on s'aperçoit qu'il y a un petit problème, donc je disais sur la crème pâtissière et le beurre, puisque là la crème elle n'est pas liée, donc du coup les fraises ne tiennent pas. Malgré tout, ça se tient un petit peu quand même pour la présentation.
We can see you encounter also a bit of a situation with the crème pâtissière is not cooked and cooked enough. But well done, because it's still a good cake.
Le confit, sinon la recette est bien faite. Le biscuit est bon. C'est juste la crème qui va pas et le frais.
It lacks a bit of freshness, so probably it didn't stay enough in the fridge. Obviously, like the crème pâtissière should be cooked after boiling 30 seconds, so it has to be more, a bit thicker, and that's why it's if not, the génoise, the base is good, and the coulis also. So this is Diana's creation. Sébastien, a few words?
C'est pas mal du tout. Je pense que la crème est bien stabilisée parce que il tient bien sur ses pieds. le petit décor chocolat, la petite fleur avec la fraise, c'est très joli. Bon, le chocolat partout dessus, c'est un peu compliqué. S'il est bien dur, ça va être un peu difficile à couper. Mais sinon, il tient bien debout celui-là.
Congratulations, because it's still standing. And it means obviously that the crème pâtissière and the crème mousseline is well done. Well done also on the decor, the presentation. It's nice with the chocolate and the flower with the strawberry. The only thing is, it might be a bit difficult to cut the chocolate, so we'll see.
La crème pâtissière, là, elle manque de cuisson aussi. Elle sent la farine, donc c'est le goût farine, c'est parce que ça manque de cuisson. Là, on est sur le même souci, donc elle a beaucoup moins de tenue. Ce qui s'est passé aussi, c'est que le biscuit, normalement, on devait le cuire sur une demi-plaque. Et là, du coup, elle l'a cuit sur une plaque entière, donc les disques sont beaucoup plus fins. Donc normalement, on aurait dû avoir 2 disques plus épais, plutôt que plusieurs fins. Et donc du coup ça se ressent sur le confit parce qu'on a une belle épaisseur de confit de fraise. Sinon dans l'ensemble ça va, le biscuit est bon, le confit est bon, c'est juste la crème également qui tient pas beaucoup.
The same problem with the cooking of the crème, because we can feel the flour taste, meaning that it's it's a lack of it lacks a bit of cooking, and that's the reason why it's still melting a bit. And instead of having 4 layers of thin base, we should have 2 layers a bit thicker. So that's the reason why we have quite a lot of confit. But it looks good and it tastes okay. So this is Sarah's creation. Few words from the chef.
Le biscuit est bien cuit, le confit est bien cuit. Malheureusement, la crème ne tenait pas du fait qu'elle soit tranchée avec le beurre. et certainement pas assez cuite. Donc par rapport aux 2 autres personnes, c'est l'entremet qui tient le moins sur ses pieds, quoi.
Well, obviously there's a lack of cooking and it's split. We taste obviously the flour and it's between the 3. It's the one that that doesn't stand up. But anyway, congratulations for being part and obviously trying a fraisier cake, your first time. So well done, Sarah. So this is the end of challenge number 4. We made our mind up. I have to say on that it was quite easy. So chef, few words.
Bah oui, c'est vrai que c'était une épreuve difficile. C'est la première fois depuis le début de la compétition qu'ils avaient un entremets à faire, donc pour 4 personnes. En l'occurrence, les 3 candidates n'avaient jamais fait de fraisier, donc c'est vrai que le challenge était assez important. Il y avait un décor de chocolat aussi imposé par rapport à d'habitude. Mais bon, on reste sur une demi-finale, donc l'épreuve de finale qui les attend est tout aussi difficile. Et là, en l'occurrence, les 3 sont bien débrouillés, même s'il y a eu des ratés au niveau de la crème pâtissière. Il n'en reste qu'ils ont quand même bien... C'est des bons compétiteurs.
Globally, you were a good participant because obviously it's the first time all of you that made a fraisier cake. Well done, girls. And les délibérations?
Bah, je pense qu'il faut qu'on prenne un petit peu plus de temps pour délibérer. Non, malheureusement, donc c'est le 3e fraisier qui va sortir aujourd'hui. Même si au début ça s'est difficilement bien passé, elle a bien remonté le 2e jour, le 3e jour. Et donc aux portes de la demi-finale, mais déjà être arrivé en demi-finale, c'est déjà bien.
So congratulations, where you started and where you are now, and fantastic. So yeah, well, you had a few problems today, but well done for keeping going on and keep fighting. So well done, and well, we'll see you, I'm sure, a lot. Zara is leaving us today, and the winner though for today is Diana. You're the winner of the competition today, the number 1, well done. And we see you, Linda and Diana, on the final, June the 13th, on the marina, on the deck of Nougatine. Thank you for everyone. Thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to Nougatine and Chef Sébastien Servaux and Anthony Marlini, bien sûr. Thank you to all our sponsors, Nougatine, Valrhona, Kiss FM, of course, Silicomart et le Journal du Pâtissier.
Voilà, et You Digital.
Et You Digital, bien sûr. Merci, thank you.
Thank you.
Obrigado.
Bye bye.
Ciao.